In this video I'm going to show you how to create and share Instagram profile QR code. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. First of all, open Instagram on your iPhone or Android, then tap on profile icon in this bottom right corner. Then here is my profile, then here showing share profile, then tap on share profile and it's create a QR code by default, and you can customize it, like tap on here to change emoji like this, and it will change every emoji, and you can select these from here, and you can change emoji from here, lots of emoji like that. Then you can use selfie like that. It's open front camera to, as you can see, and you can use only color shade here like that, and it changes to emoji. And you can scan other person QR code just tapping this here. It's open QR code camera, go back, and to share your QR code you can just copy your profile link and or just share profile and share to other person, like I'm sharing this WhatsApp person, then tap on WhatsApp name, then tap to send, and that QR code or link send it to that person. Or you can take screenshot to use later like that, and later you can use this screenshot. So that way you can create and share Instagram profile QR code. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.